In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show unread emails first in the Gmail app. Managing your email efficiently is key in today's fast-paced world, and prioritizing unread emails at the top of your inbox can be a game changer. It helps you stay organized and ensures important messages don't fall through the cracks. So, let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your Gmail app on your device. Once you have the app open, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a small gear icon, which represents your quick settings. It's your gateway to personalizing your email experience and making it work better for you. Tap on this gear icon, and a menu of options will unfold, offering you a glimpse into the variety of customizations available. Now, within these quick settings, direct your attention to the section labeled Inbox Type. This section is crucial because it determines how your emails are displayed to you. Here, you'll find several options designed to tailor the arrangement of your inbox to your preference. Our focus today is to move unread emails to the forefront of your Gmail experience. Under Inbox Type, you'll notice an option that says Unread First. This is exactly what we're looking for. Clicking Unread First tells Gmail to prioritize and display those emails you haven't yet read at the top of your inbox. It's a small change, but it can significantly enhance how you interact with your emails daily. With unread messages right up front, you no longer have to scroll through lengthy threads of read emails to find what requires attention. Once you select Unread First, Gmail will automatically rearrange your inbox, placing emails you haven't opened yet at the top. That's all there is to it. It's a straightforward yet effective alteration. You don't have to worry about making any additional saves or confirmations. The change happens instantly, simplifying your inbox management. Now, a quick tip. If you ever wish to switch back or try a different inbox type in the future, you simply revisit these steps and choose the option that suits your needs best. The Gmail app provides flexible settings that allow for easy adjustments, letting you experiment with different views until you find the perfect fit. And there you have it. You've now successfully prioritized your unread emails in Gmail. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage and process digital communication. By keeping unread emails at the top, you stay organized and ensure nothing important escapes your attention. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tweak helps keep your inbox more manageable and productive.